Hi, good people. Nice to meet you again. Let's come and join us here. For today, we are going to show you how to make pliers with the balloon twist. So let's prepare the balloon for 3 pieces and 2 colors. Okay, here we use the white color. We start twisting with the small bubble and follow with the small pin twist, and the twisting will start with the nozzles of the balloon. Okay, this is it. Continue with the fingers bubble and again with the small pin twist, and now finger bubble. So on the side left and the right side will be 3 fingers bubble, and on the top is 4 fingers bubble. Alright, let's pay your attention here how to make it and how many times we make for the small pin twist and also the small bubble over here. So we can watching this video and you can repeat the same steps over there with your balloon. Alright. For the next, we need to bend the balloon. We make it for 2 sides and the same size. Okay, so this is for the pliers. Yeah, just give a little bit a small hole or some space on the middle between the finger bubble. Between the bubbles, we make a little bit space. Okay. For the rest of the balloon, we can discard that. And after that, don't forget to tie the balloon. Yeah, so this is for the pliers of balloon twist. Okay, now we use the red color. The red color here will be for the handle. Like you see, we need to bend and to have the shape like the real one, so we can fold like you see over here, so you can make the same thing with your balloon. Okay, that's it. We don't need to twisting anymore. We just make sure to check the size. And for the rest of the balloon, we can discard and don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. Okay, so this is the first, and we repeat the same thing with the second balloon. Of course, the same color. We can make it in the same size. And we have to Okay, we get it now. And now, make sure you make the same size. After that, we discard the rest of the balloon and don't forget to tie the balloon. Okay. Alright, now we are going to twist that. We just twist it with the small pin twist and adjust for the position. Another one, we repeat the same thing. We twist that in with the small pin twist in the white color. Alright, we have done for the pliers with the balloon twist. I hope you get your pliers, of course, with your balloon twist. Alright, everyone, we have done for the pliers, and now the time to enjoy that with someone to be your couple, to use that for your playing. So for everyone, thank you very much to join us. Thank you for watching. Then we'll see you again with the next video. Don't forget to support and subscribe my channel, please. We'll see you again. Maybe you can share this video to your friends to get more support to growing up my channel. Thank you for watching and bye bye.